Simplify the expression. We have z squared plus 6z plus 8 all over z squared plus 7z plus 12 divided by z squared plus 2z all over z squared plus 12z plus 27. So we are dividing two rational expressions. Now remember that when we divide, the rule says we want to keep the first fraction the same, change your division sign to multiplication, flip the second fraction. So before we factor, let's go ahead and use our basic division rule where we're going to keep it, change it, flip it. Let's factor each fraction. First fraction, plus sign, the numerator, z and z for the first term. Factors of 8, 1 and 8, 2 and 4, which set will give us the 6, 2 and 4. We're done with that. Your denominator, z and z for the first term. Our signs will be two positives. We have factors of 12, which set will add to give us 7, 3 and 4, times. We're going to use our flip it portion, factor that, z and z. Which set of factors? Look at 27, and those two numbers will add to give us 12. Well, we have 9 and 3, two positives. And then the last set is not a trinomial, but we can factor out the GCF, factor out a z, and we have z plus 2. Now that everything is factored, we want to factor all pairs that's common to the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so I'm going to color code what I see that we're going to cross out. I see the z plus 2. We're going to factor that out. Excuse me, we're going to cancel it out, not factor it out, but cancel. We have, what else do you see? I see z plus 4. Those are the same. And then I also see z plus 3. So what we have color coded is what we're going to cancel. The z plus 2s, z plus 4s, the z plus 3s. Then what do we have remaining that's left? We have z plus 9 over z. So remember, just like the other example, once we cancel all pairs that's common to the numerator and denominator, we're done. Z plus 9 and z are not identical. Okay? In order for us to cancel everything out, that z that's in the denominator must have a plus 9 after it, after the z, say that, okay? Or we don't have the plus 9. So we're done. We have z plus 9 over z.